Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use CapCut's AI movement on your videos in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to use this video right here, and I'm going to scroll down until there is the AI movement section. So there's dynamic, zoom, shake, and soft. I'm going to select the soft one because this is like more of a soft dance, but you can use the rest to try. This is a pro feature though, so let me just tell you right now. I'm just going to wait for it to process. It's going to take a few minutes, seconds. It depends on the duration of your video as well. My nose itches right now, I'm so sorry. And this is what it's going to look like once we have added the movement. You can also scale it, rotate it, and do the rest, but it basically tracks the movement here. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.